not bad.
If you have been a follower of Essential RC for a while, you will have no doubt seen my updates on Joel Vlashof's radio-controlled VTOL projects for his Scale F-35B and AV-8B Harrier electric ducted fan jets. Replicating the true vertical takeoff and landing flight characteristics of those full-size aircraft has been Joel's goal for almost 10 years now. If you have any knowledge of aero modelling and flying RC jets, I'm sure you can appreciate how challenging it would be to achieve the construction of an RC jet that can take off vertically, transition to flight, and then transition back to hover and land. I'm sharing this update on Essential RC today because after all his hard work, he has actually succeeded. I'm going to hand over to Joel now at the flying field so he can share a demonstration of his radio-controlled, VTOL-capable AV-8B Harrier.
Well, Marco, thanks for inviting me. So what do you have over here?
We have the RCJetprint.com Harrier 105mm EDF.
Super awesome. So it's a 105mm EDF?
Yeah, from JP.
From JP. And these nozzles are actually rotating, right?
Absolutely.
So what do we need for stabilization?
We need 4 40mm X-Fly EDFs in a quadcopter configuration, and that's purely to keep it level. And the rest is being done by the main engine.
Awesome. So we are... sorry. Even de spanning eruit. Alles goed? Links, rechts? Hey guys, we had a great flight with this model. Unfortunately, we found out that the ailerons of Marco's plane were blocked or a loose connection. And I will show it in the slow motion backwards what's happening and to analyze it. We got a tuned Harrier, which flies amazingly 2 times the outbound during one flight. That was cool, huh?
And at least we had a spectacular crash.
And we had an spectacular crash. So
We crashed good.
oh my dear. Okay guys, see you next time.
Thanks to Joel for sharing this update of his radio-controlled VTOL AV-8B Harrier project. Success really deserved over the number of years that he's invested on this project, and it's really been the holy grail in RC aero modelling, and this is the first time I've really seen it achieved in such a scale way. Well done, Joel. If you would like to build and fly one of these AV-8B Harriers, then Joel will actually be releasing the knowledge and the 3D print files for this project on his website rc-jetprint.de. Congratulations again, Joel. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Wow.